Now that we've successfully created the tick table, let's query from our dataset using the first and last functions. The first function is an aggregate function that returns the first value of a set of inputs associated with the minimum time. With our dataset, if we wanted to know the first price of the very first tick when the stock market opened, we could use the first function to do so. Now, if we wanted to see the price of stock ABC or LMNO at its earliest point, all we need to do is simply add a where clause. Now, as you can see, the first function takes two arguments. The first being a column value to return, in this case the price, and the second being the time expression used for comparison, in this case the TS column. The time argument can be optional if you assigned a specific column with a series timestamp designation, which we did when we created the tick table. MemSQL will infer that you are going to use that particular column for time series functions, so we can remove the TS from the query statement altogether, and our query will execute the same. The last function is the same as the first function, except that it returns, of course, the value associated with the maximum time. The time argument is optional as well, given that a series timestamp designation has been assigned to a column. Let's see what stock XYZ closed at for today. As we can see, stock XYZ closed at $99.40 today. If we wanted to know how a particular stock performed from when the market opened to when it closed, we can use the first and last functions together. Let's see how our stock in ABC did today. Looks like ABC is trending up.